Hi everybody and welcome back to our trip to Costiera Amalfitana. Today starts with a boom actually. In fact, the weather is amazing as you can see. Super sunny outside. Beatrice today wore...
I wrong the position.
the position of her sleeves is on the wrong way.
I changed the position.
Yeah, now she will change it. And also I was on the toilet back there and when I stood up my muscles on the back contracted and yeah, it's not the best. And we hope things will get better today. What are we gonna visit?
Today we are gonna visit Positano, Praiano and Furore.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. As you can see, it takes 39 minutes to do 16 kilometers. It's crazy. And here is where yesterday basically I couldn't come up. At least going down, it's downhill and gravity does its part. Then it gets super narrow actually, and you have to be careful because you can scratch your
Oops.
your mirrors.
Traffic.
And finally we are in Positano. We parked and actually it's 8 euros per hour to park here. It's crazy. So it's 12 o'clock, we are racing against the clock to go back to the park because every hour we spend here is 8 euros. So she's got the octopus salad and of course I had to get the fry. So this is fried mozzarella with stuff inside, I don't know what. This is croquet, basically a fried mashed potato. And here is a rolled up pizza I'm very curious about. Let's try the fried mozzarella first. It's filled with ham inside, it's amazing. Let's try the rolled up pizza, it's a baguette, yeah. And this one is a very nice idea because it's like a baguette but inside is filled with mozzarella and tomato. It's like basically a stretched calzone. And now time for the croquet. So the city streets of Positano actually look very good, I have to say. I like this place with all the green. And we finally arrived at the church after like an hour of walking. I'm gonna try to fly the drone and look at the view right here. It's so narrow actually. Look at the streets down there, everything is crammed up. It's pretty, I have to say. Now I see why people love this place. We arrived to the beach, look at this. And this part looks so good actually. Look at the city back there, the town, and all these hotels on the beach. But actually I have a consideration. Now is September, today is rainy, it's Monday after COVID, and still is full of people. Just imagine during summer, this is so filled with people. Oh my god. We're sweating so much because we gotta hurry. We are now going for 3 hours of parking. We don't wanna go 4 because then it's 32 euros. It's too much.
Boat to...
Oh, I'm sweating a lot. So boat to Positano, 6.5, 7.
Oops.
Yeah, I mean, there are some very, very beautiful parts. Also, yeah, this road is nice, but it's not...
It's full of
It's not livable. I don't know how to say. Like, today is a particular day where should be like the least possible tourists.
Yes, it's Monday.
Still, no parks, full of people.
Full of people.
Yeah. So I expect when it's like summer, this place is stressful, and yeah, it can be beautiful, but when it's stressful, it loses a bit, you know. That's why. So we found finally a parking spot. This is the first parking spot I see like in a week. And we decided actually to sit down in the car, park it on
relax.
and just relax because we are so tired.
Scroll.
It's been 1 hour, we are sitting here.
Yeah.
Right now we are going from Positano to Furore. There is a fjord, I guess it's called Fjord. And there is a bridge basically. It's a nice place for flying the drone. And,
Yeah, always.
and then there is a cave like 1 kilometer from there, and it's called the Emerald Cave. The water should be emerald color inside, and we're gonna visit that, and then we're gonna go home because we're super tired.
Costiera Amalfitana is very...
It's one of the most tiring places around. Also, my car clutch was taking fire before because you're always gonna have to switch because the traffic goes zzz, zzz, zzz. And man, the smell of I have to change the clutch when I go home. It destroys your car and yourself, it's crazy. And we arrived at Emerald Cave. We need to take a lift that brings us down underground. Yes, cool. It should be there, yes. So we are on the boat now. We didn't expect this at all. And finally we start to see the emerald color right there. And it's amazing.
Si mettono una cinquantina di su dalle every 24 of December.
And in the end, the Emerald Cave was actually very nice, because they didn't tell us they were gonna take us with a boat around and show us where the light comes from. We went in and it was pitch black, so we were like, hey, another unlucky thing, but very nice. Also, I submerged the Insta360 underwater, and I don't know how it came out, I'm curious to see. So, we are finally going to Furore Fjord, and I'm always like this, with this Insta360. I look like a fisherman. And we finally arrived at the Fjordo, right here. Look how cool it looks. And that's what I'm talking when I look for hidden gems. Like, nobody ever mentions this place. the time has come, and you can already see what happened. My first crash with the Mavic Mini, actually 1 year of service, 1000 hours of flight, but there was a ghost branch and I didn't see it. Boom, it's done. Basically what happened, I came through the fjord and I was trying to make an orbit of the houses down there, but I didn't really check the distance with that tree down there. I expected to have a little bit more slack. I hit the tree and the drone went down just about here. And the crash on rocks is not the best, you know. Bye bye Furore, place of death of my Mavic Mini. Bye, it's done, dead, kaput. But the place was a good place to die at, don't you think? Yeah. Now we are super tired, and that's one of the reasons of this thing happen. I call this the time of the moron, you know, that brief moment of time, that small bad decision that breaks stuff basically. Like yesterday my car and today the drone. I gotta have some sleep.
Now relax.
Yeah, a bit of relax. We need it. Look at the view from here, it's amazing. And it's full of bees because there is leftover fish for the cats, but the cat is fat enough. I thought the fish was for the cat down there, but actually it's very clever because the wasps attack the client's food, so they put it on right there, and the wasps go there and not on the food. Boom! Finally,
we
have dinner at
some
6,
good things.
6:30, and
Like tourists,
yeah, but there is no one, as you can see. Beautiful view. Let's eat.
Yeah.
So we had an unexpected turn of events because I was looking at an Italian used stuff website basically, and I found a guy that has a Mavic Mini for sale, 250 bucks, just around the corner. It's crazy lucky. So I'm gonna get there, buy one, and then I'll be fine. I got a new Mavic Mini finally, so no pain. I mean, tomorrow I'm gonna fly with Mavic Mini like nothing happened. Very good. And now we are coming home, basically 1 hour drive, 30 kilometers. It's crazy. And we are in a city now called Agerola.
Yeah.
And here is famous for cheese basically. So we're gonna get some cheese.
We try.
Let's go. It's
typical food.
8 o'clock in the night and we had dinner at 6, remember? Super crazy. She's always so happy when we find stuff to eat, it's incredible. Look at this. You see macelleria in boom, she's happy automatically.
This is the typical food of Geprc.
Yeah, fior di latte, mozzarella basically. That's a bella robetta. So we got 7 small fior di latte mozzarellas, but we cannot open it because it's a bag of water, and if we open it, it's a mess. And then we have this very typical porchetta of Agerola. It should be very nice. So this is basically roasted pork, roasted for a long time. Let's taste.
Good.
Wow.
Very fat.
Very fat, super fat actually. It's amazing though. And we are finally back home. Here is my new Mavic Mini, and here is Beatrice, which should be on diet.
Second dinner.
She should be on diet, but she's eating all of this good stuff. Let's eat a
fior di latte di Agerola. Compatto. Non è succoso.
It's very cheesy mozzarella actually, I like it.
Cheers.
Cheers. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for another episode tomorrow.
Tomorrow, maybe Capri.
Maybe we go to Capri. I have a super bad backache. I don't know what to call it. Like every time I stand up, it's like, because my backpack is getting heavy, you know what. And as always, remember to subscribe to my channel. Help me, you know, my efforts right here. As always, stay safe and happy flying. Bye.